There, I don't know if you can see it actually. There you can see the grease nipple. But that's about as far as you want to go. If it was straight, well, it would... Well, you just couldn't do it really, in all honesty, could you? So it has to be an angled grease nipple, and it obviously has to point towards this hole. Okay, just a little bit of info. You will see that, of course, when I do the full assembly. But that would make a pair, one with a hole, one without a hole. You know, like a man and a woman. Take that how you will. All right, this is, oh geez, yes, we've moved on, haven't we? We're on part 3. And here in my spider scroll, because I'm not very good at writing these days, I've got all sorts of parts that I need to order to continue with this job. Well, actually, I'll continue with the job anyway whilst these parts are coming in. So we're really doing great at the moment. I've been in touch with the customer, and we're discussing colours and all sorts of different stuff. So this is great. I'm enjoying this. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I hope you're enjoying the videos. And we'll move on further down the road before I push this particular part out. Probably won't be for a day or two. All right. This video may be a little noisy. My AC over there is kicked in. Let's clean these off with brake cleaner and my purpose-built wrap. Right, so they have been now sprayed with brake cleaner. As you can see, there's a little cup there. I need to do something about that. Oh, sorry, I don't want it to sit that way. So sorry, you're probably getting a kind of a strange angle here, but yeah, well, that's life. If I could get it in the hole, put some fucking hair around it, you dummy. You'll get it in. There we go. Same here. Open up her legs, put some hair around it, and slip it in. Oh my god, that's so good. Not sure, is that going to be good enough? Good and tough? Probably. Just need the breeze here to breeze. Ha! Arizona breeze. There's a fucking oxymoron. We go from no wind to whoosh. What the fuck? All right. So let's just let those evaporate, and then we'll powder coat them. So here we are now. These are the naked truth. They've been cleaned down now and blasted. So my next phase is to spray them with powder coat and then bake the motherfuckers. Okay, so sorry, you're gonna have to accept my muffled voice. I'm in the midst of spraying these with powder coat, and obviously I don't want to breathe that shit. These items have been coated on one side but still have not been coated on this side. I will coat them and then show you the coating. Alright, so here we are now coated. As you can see, there's a little area there that for whatever reason doesn't want to take the coating. I'll deal with that in a minute. The rest of it's looking good. Oven is up to temperature, so let's get her in and then we'll fix the problem. Okay, so the most important thing here in this particular restoration is to make sure you have a nice beer. This one's Old Speckled Hen. Yum yum. Cheers guys. Beautiful, huh? Nothing like good head. So here we are in the oven. They've just finished baking. I am not going to touch them because, one, they're too fucking hot, and if you touch them now you could really fuck them up. So I'm just going to leave them here overnight, and I'll get them out in the morning, and we'll deal with any issues. There you go. Well, here they are, done. Not looking too bad, considering the age. And the cups, you're not going to get perfection because of the age of these things, but I think they're looking pretty good. So there we are, they're ready now to be reinstalled, but that can't be done until we've got the rest of the shafts done. Alright, this is end of part 3. Just wanted to push out another little one. Do the usual. Please like, comment, subscribe. Ding the dong. Ready for more updates and hopefully more fun. Good night all.